Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, Rockasea. Bit of a nightmare bike to work on. You've no clearance at all on the rear wheel, by the way, with a back brake system. It's a pack of shit. But the DNA wheel's very nice. As you can see here, this is 21 by 3.5. Looks great. The only problem is you do have to use a slimline Harrison caliper or a P&M slimline caliper, because the spokes, as you can see here, are obviously a lot wider than on a stock wheel, especially if you're going 3.5. All right, and also you've got to make billet hubs up, as you can see, billet spacers. Okay, lovely wheels, very good quality, stainless steel spokes from DNA, then chrome plated, so you won't have any issues with rusting like some other makes we do. This particular bike, we have powder coated the forks, the headlight, etc. We've done the primaries, chain guard, all done in satin. And as you can see, the rear wheel, this has got an 8.5, in other words a 240/250 type. Okay, pity about the discs. We did offer some cheap discs at £95 each, but the hassle involved in swapping them now they're in is without damaging the wheel is pretty huge. So we're definitely not going to offer to do that. But lovely wheels, very good quality. You know, way better than some of the other makes that have got chrome spokes. This one here is a 21 by 3.5. The only issue you'll have, as you can see here, is the gap. It means you can't run a standard mudguard. The wheel is actually offset on these bikes in the forks, and that's how they are. The mudguard's actually is offset the bracket, so although it looks weird, this is actually how these bikes are built. But also available fully chrome. Matching rotors, I say, would look a hell of a lot better on this bike. But if you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666, or www.customcruisers, a new site.eu, customcruisers.eu, that has got a lot of Milwaukee 8 stuff, and it's got new Milwaukee 8 boards that no one else has done. We're the only ones that do rear floorboards for the Milwaukee 8s. So give us a call, 01773835666, alternatively www.customcruisers.com or .eu. Thank you.